All right. I don't like this. I'm going to experiment on it. It's Atlantica. I usually play this Asian Dreaming, but I thought I'd throw a couple of spins at this just to see. I don't anticipate much. Got 3 coins. Need a coin here and a coin here. This reel is usually the toughest to fill. Let's see. Got it on 1 spin. Now this one, let's see if we can fill that. How long it takes. Got it. 2 spins. Now we need a good board up here. Let's see if we got some good feature. Nah, not much. Let's see what it pulls out. I wanted to see some of these pop up. Multipliers. 55.90. Not huge, but it adds up. You know, at the end of the night, it can go around and do this all night. You can make $1,000 bucks. That's what I do. I just bounce around and pick these things up. Hacktheslots.com.